Clyde & Co are a really interesting law firm. And as you know, I know a little bit about law firms. Whereas a lot of law firms operate at a strata, so they operate doing similar kinds of levels of work. Clyde & Co do the most complex types of litigation cases, construction insurance based, down to the simplest, people getting a cup of coffee spilt on a plane, so plane falling out of the sky or someone getting a cup of coffee spilt on them on a plane. As a result of which, actually, Omni is incredibly interesting for us because we represent the same insurance companies at the most complex and at the most simple level. So we do have a shared database. So the legacy of that is that there were these 13 different case management systems across the board. Some of them were doing different types of work. Some of them were jurisdictionally specific. So Scotland had a system, Northern Ireland had a system, Dublin had a system. And as a result of which, there was a huge amount of technical debt. So obviously, supporting 13 different case management systems and having competencies to support 13 different case management systems just to keep the lights on is expensive. Then we need to update our terms and conditions. Well, we don't just do it once, we have to do it across 13 different systems. Then and to Andrew's point around data, and which is why for us particularly this is a good system, we have to pull the data from 13 different systems to do a report for one client, because one client's data may have been across those 13 different systems. And of course, those 13 different systems were built by different people in different places at different times. So in one system, it's called a date of accident, and then the next it's called the accident date, date of incident, incident date, material, a whole bunch of different things. And as a result of which, there's a technical debt that the firm has had to bear in synthesizing that stuff so that from a client's perspective, the route into us and the route out of us is simple, but there's a lot of hard work.